Another nice day in Seattle, even though it is October. But it looks like we still got a few more days left before the rain comes here in Seattle. So, good time to do a video. And today, we're doing a video on my new Termignoni exhaust that I added to the Ducati. So I'm excited about it. Got it a few weeks ago. Let's see, it was a Ducati BMW dealership in Tacoma that did it. And yeah, it's a big time improvement over the stock exhaust that I had. So there it is. Nothing too fancy. It looks really similar to the stock one, but it doesn't sound similar. Not only did I have to get the exhaust, but there was a pipe in here that I needed to get. And when I originally ordered it, the dealer actually didn't know that the pipe was required. And so it's not a full header pipe. It's like just like some attachment that they added. So they ordered that, got it delivered. And yeah, you know, I've said in my previous video that I wasn't really super stoked about how this sounded, the Ducati Sport Pro 1100. And, you know, doing some research, I don't know much about Ducatis and the aftermarket world for Ducati. But one thing I saw is that the Termignoni exhaust is kind of what a lot of people recommend. I mean, there's Aero and a few other brands out there, but this one is the one. So I'm really excited about it. I will start it up so you can hear it. Now, the one thing for point of comparison, I did bring out the Road Glide, and I will just be honest, I love the Ducati. It sounds great with the Termi exhaust, but it does not even come close to sounding like the Harley. So I will start up the Harley and let you hear it. The Harley has a number of upgrades, which makes it sound a lot better. I got Vance and Hines header pipes. And then I got Reinhardt 4.5 DBX exhaust slip-ons. I got a Trask Assault air cleaner. It's a stage 3 114. I have a Power Vision tune on it. So as you can imagine, it's going to sound pretty good. But why don't I start up the Ducati so you can hear it, and then you can kind of judge for yourself. Unfortunately, I don't have a video of this stock exhaust. Sounds pretty good, and then let me give it some throttle. Well, there you have it. Sounds really good. A lot better than the stock. The stock, I mean, I was just like, nah, this isn't gonna work. I am a kind of a believer in loud pipes save lives, so I had to get that changed out, and I was really happy with it. They also tuned it, so I guess Termi provides a tune, and that's nice, and it runs better. You know, I know when you usually, like on the Harley, you put on some slip-ons, there really isn't going to be some big performance upgrade. Maybe you squeak out with new header pipes, you know, 5-10 horsepower, maybe. I mean, that could even be generous. But with the Ducati, I haven't dynoed it, but it just feels just a lot more responsive, and I'm really happy about it. So unfortunately, I might annoy my neighbors, but I'm going to start the Harley. So let's get this started just for comparison's sake. Now, the Harley is loud. It sounds like a T-Rex. It's, you know, you could just tell when I'm writing this, people know that I'm coming in, and that's what I want. I'm not one to come into the neighborhood and you know, start blasting it loud and annoying the neighbors. I'm not that guy, but I like having loud pipes on the Harley. So yeah, let's just get this thing started. And here we go, a few revs. So as you can see or hear, it's pretty damn loud. I'm not, again, I got a nice little neighborhood. See, you know, someone there just walking their dog, and I'm not gonna just basically have all the neighbors hate me. So I'm not gonna just blast the exhaust note for purposes of YouTube video. I'm a respectful neighbor, and I like my neighbors. But there you have it. Again, I just wanted to. Oops, sorry, got a cord in there. Just wanted to give people a little bit of a sound check because when I mentioned that I was getting this Termi exhaust, people are like, "Oh, we gotta hear it." So hopefully you're able to hear it. But yeah, I'm pretty excited. You know, I think I said on my initial Ducati video that I wasn't going to do a lot of upgrades to this. One, I don't have the money to do that. Two, I was looking for something that was fairly low maintenance, unlike the Harley, which I've really put a lot of time and effort and funds to get it where I wanted. And so this one's pretty much outside the box. I did get some lights that I'm going to install, some turn signals. That's probably going to be really the only thing I'm going to do, is just add some better lights. So yeah, well, short video. I hope you liked the video. If you like the video, please give it a like, and also please subscribe. If I get enough subscribers, I'll do this more regularly. I'm kind of doing about a video a month probably, but I would like to do more videos, and if I get more followers, I definitely will do more. So thanks for watching, and until the next time.